I'm Cole with A&J Property Restoration. I'm the general manager. I've been with A&J for 19, going on 20 years. We have two offices, one located just north of Madison in DeForest, Wisconsin, and the other one in Waukesha, Wisconsin. So we cover the whole kind of range from Madison all the way to Milwaukee, down to Illinois, so obviously Janesville, and up to the Wisconsin Dells, and even further if we have to. A&J was founded in 1984, and I'll always remember because it was the same year I was born. Started by husband and wife, who started in just general cleaning. I came in as a technician in 2004, and somehow stayed on until now as a general manager for the last 2 years. We are full restoration, pretty much anything. I mean, the biggest one is water restoration. Pipe breaks in the middle of the winter due to freezing temperatures. We'd come in, extract, and try to save what we can from the building, do demo if we have to demo. Your house floods, same thing, come in, demo, we have to demo, dry it down, restore the house back together. Obviously, God forbid you have a fire, we do fire services as well, whether it's from full reconstruction to just a small stove fire. Mold, water damage sometimes goes undetected, leaks in your basement for an extended period of time or behind the dishwasher. We take care of mold remediation as well. Specialty cleaning for commercial properties, so it could be something as simple as a kitchen cleaning, could be high ceiling cleaning in a manufacturing plant. We do a lot of healthcare services as far as what's called terminal cleaning in the surgical rooms, as well as just getting random calls for like bloodborne pathogen cleanups and things like that. As far as customers, client base, it's anybody who owns a building. It really doesn't matter whether it's a residential property, a commercial property. We've done just about anything and everything. We've come to Janesville a lot, and it's a growing community, right? Janesville, Beloit, with the casino, with everything, it's really, really growing. We do work with some of the local hospitals, so it's kind of a natural evolution just to market a little bit more and work our way and integrate ourselves into the community. We work in an industry that relies off people's misfortunes. We got to be uplifting. We have to be positive. Core values is really, it's honesty, trustworthy, transparency. There's no job too big or too small. The way that we try to operate is a resource. Feel free to call us, right? Call us, ask questions. We do free inspections, whether it's residential or commercial properties, so it doesn't cost anything to send a person out to just take a look at it. Just doing what we say we're going to do. Right? That's probably the most important thing. We come into people's homes or businesses. When we tell somebody, hey, this is what we should do based off industry standards, we have to follow through with that. So it's just staying transparent, staying honest, and doing what's right. We genuinely care. That's part of going back to culture, is part of going back to core values, is caring about the people that we're serving. Yes, we do things for profit, but we genuinely care. Our goal is to get a 5-star review after each and every job. Yeah, so I mean, the other part of the full gamut of restoration, right, is to be a one-stop shop. To be able to come in, take care of, make sure your contents get taken care of, making sure the building gets deodorized, and then the next stop is putting it back together. The goal is we're a licensed general contractor in the state of Wisconsin. We have in-house carpenters and painters, as well as obviously quality vetted subcontractors. So that way you're not calling a bunch of different people. You don't have to call company A and company B. We just do the whole thing.